Hello students, today we will study unit number 2 AC circuits in which we are going to calculate two numericals based on RMS value and average value of current. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So first numerical is written on the board. So before starting the numerical, you should remember certain equations that already we have derived in our previous video lectures. As for example, you must know the value of average current, which is how much? 0.637 of Im. Then next is we can say that RMS value of current is how much? 0.707 Im. Both of these equations we have derived. Also one more equation for current that we have derived, which is I is equals to Im sine omega t. And also you know omega is equals to what? 2 pi f. And finally frequency is what? It is 1 upon t, which is in hertz. So that much equation you should remember before starting the numerical, so that numerical would be very much easy for you. So we'll start with the first numerical, that RMS value of an alternating current is 30 ampere. So RMS value of current, that means I will write over here I RMS of current is how much? 30 ampere. Also you should know one thing, that supposing that sentence is not given, that RMS value of alternating current, simply it is written like this, that current is 30 ampere. So you should understand what? RMS value. If it is mentioned that average value of current is 30 ampere, then you should consider 30 ampere. If it is mentioned that maximum value of current is 30 ampere, then you should consider max Im is equals to 30 ampere. But when in the numerical nothing is given, so always it is which value? Always it is RMS value. Okay, so IRMS is 30. Then next is what? Its frequency, means F is given, which is 25 hertz. Next is what? Write its equation to find its instantaneous value. That means you have to write down the equation for the current. So equation of the current is what? Right now I have discussed I is equals to Im sine omega t. Okay, in which value of Im you have to calculate. How you will calculate? So over here I will write that you know very well relationship between Im and IRMS. So this is the relationship. So IRMS is equals to what? Is equals to 0.707 Im. We want the value of Im, so I will make subject as Im is equals to IRMS divided by 0.707. So which is equals to IRMS is how much? 30 divided by 0.707. And if you will calculate this maximum current, so it will be around 42.43 ampere. So now same value we will insert over here. So I is equals to what? 42.43 into sine of value of omega is what? Value of omega is 2 pi f. So I will write sine 2 pi f into t. Okay, further I will go 42.43 sine of 2 pi. Frequency is given. Yes, it is 25 hertz. Multiply with time. So final answer of equation would be 43.42 sine of 25 into 250 pi into t. That is your answer equation of current in terms of ampere. Okay, next question is what? A is what? Its average value. So A is I average, and I average value you know very well, which is how much? 0.637 of Im. So 0.637 Im already have calculated, which is 42.43. So if you will multiply this, so you will get the value of I average, which is around 27 ampere. So that is your next answer. And last question is what? Time period. So we know one equation, F is equals to 1 upon T. So T is equals to 1 by F. So T is equals to 1 by F. So which is equals to 1 by frequency is given 25. So that will be your 100 multiply. So T is equals to 0.04 second. So that is your next answer. So now I hope that you have noted it down. So I am going to rub this. Next numerical is sinusoidal alternating current is expressed by I is equals to 100 sine 377 into t. That means equation of current is given already. In the previous numerical, we have written the equation of current, and over here it is given already. So three things you have to calculate. First one is RMS value of current, next is average value of current, and last one is frequency. Okay, so we'll start with first one. So before starting that first one, first of all, that equation I will write in solution, that I is equals to 100 sine of 377t. Now this equation we will compare with our standard equation. Standard equation is this: I is equals to Im sine omega t. So I is equals to Im sine omega t. Now if we compare both of these equations, so you can write like this, that value of Im is how much? 100 ampere. So I will write value of Im is how much? 100 ampere. Next is what? Value of omega is 377 radian per second. So omega is equals to 377 radian per second. Okay. Now we'll start to calculate one by one. First question is what? You have to find out the RMS value of current. So for that purpose, again you should remember the relationship of what? Of this RMS with Im, because we have Im. So we know that RMS is equals to how much? 0.707 of maximum current. So 0.707, Im is how much? 100. So answer will be how much? 70.7 ampere. So that would be your first answer of RMS value of current. Okay, move on with the next. Second is what? What you have to find? You have to find out average value of current. So again you should know the relationship between average and maximum. So that is your average and maximum relationship. So I will write I average is equals to 0.637 of maximum current. So 0.637 maximum current is how much? It is 100. So multiply with 100. So I average value will be how much? 63.7 watt ampere. So that is your next answer. Last one is which one? Last one is you have to find out the frequency. Omega is equals to 2 pi f that we have written. Then we want frequency. So f is equals to what? F is equals to omega divided by 2 pi. Omega is how much? Omega is 377 radian per second divided by 2, multiply with 3.14. So frequency around answer you will get as 60 hertz. So that is your next answer. So I hope you are able to understand both of these numericals. Now I would like to end this video. Once again we will meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.